Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are doing well. So today what we are going to do, we are going to update our code we recently uploaded on GitHub. So you can see it. This this was updated on last week. So today what we are going to do, we are going to update this code. So okay, this is our code. I have added few files here when I was making the previous video. So what we need to do, first of all, two commands we are going to type. So first, what we are going to have the first command as get init and enter. So reinitialize, I can say, and it is going to be get add dot. Yeah, okay, so actually I forgot the commands what I have to type here. Now if you will search for the commands to push code to GitHub, actually sometimes you can miss my video, but you can follow these docs. These are the official docs by the GitHub. So when I'm coming here, you saw we performed this step, the the get initializing. We can do this way, or as we did earlier, and we did this one. What it does, adds the files in the local repository and stages for commit to unstage a file. Use get reset head your file. Okay, so the next one, what we are going to do, we are going to commit. Make sure you have selected the right platform. If you are on Mac, you can select Mac. I am on Windows, I'm using Windows. So if you are on Linux, you can use the Linux. So coming up here again and typing the command, this is going to be my second commit. So I'm going to make it, second commit or something, whatever you like. So as I will hit the enter, you can see, okay, second commit is being committed. If I'm coming here, let's see if the change is being made. See, there are no changes being made, and because we have missed one command, that is going to be actually not missed. We are going to have another command that is going to be a push command. So let's check what is going to be that push command, and adding a local repository. So this is going to be our last command. So let's wait for it. So you can see this is done, and if I will go there and now restart, or sorry, refresh it, you're gonna see the changes here. Okay, you can see the second commit, and actually what it does, it make changes to those files where we made changes. If we have added some dependencies in pubspec.yaml file, has made changes, it has been changed here as well. But now because we only have changed in the lib folder, we just added some code while recording the previous video. So we have it here. You can see this is being written only in front of those folders where I made changes. You can see if I will be clicking here, you're gonna see the test file I made recently in the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, please watch that one as well. If you are a beginner to Flutter, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.